$1,300, Samsung's most expensive phone ever. And honestly, it might be the first time it's actually justified. Not because of the chip, not the camera, it's 3 features nobody expected. Let's go! A screen that hides itself, a built-in gimbal, and a cooling system redesigned from scratch. This is the Galaxy S26 Ultra. And Samsung might have actually cooked this time. But first, the box. Alright, dark, minimalistic box. Inside, the S26 Ultra, USB-C cable, SIM tool, paperwork, and no charger. Classic Samsung. Numbers are pretty important. 0.3mm thinner body than last time, 214 grams, and rounded corners, more rounded corners, which feels like Samsung finally realized humans hold these things. When it comes to colors, it comes in cobalt violet, white, black, sky blue, plus pink, gold, and silver shadow if you buy it directly from Samsung, which is cool. 6.9-inch anti-reflective display, gorgeous. Moving on, 200 megapixel main shooter, 1.4 aperture, wider than before. 50 megapixel ultra wide and dual telephoto, 5x optical and 10x optical quality zoom. The camera is stacked though, but that's not what we're here for today. 3 features. Let's go. Feature 1, and this one's a world first. Samsung calls it privacy display, built into the panel itself, not a film, not a filter. When you flip it on, the screen goes dark for everyone except you. And unlike privacy films that are permanent, this is implemented at the panel level during manufacturing. That means you can turn it on or off. And here's the clever part. It works on specific areas of the display. If a notification pops up, it's the only one that gets blurred, as long as you set it up yourself to be that way. You pick what to hide, the rest is normal, whether it's subway, airport, open plan office. This solves a problem you've been ignoring for years. And once you have it, you won't go back. This one's Ultra only. The S26 and S26 Plus don't get it. Now it's time for feature number 2, which is the software gimbal. Which means if you go to video, Samsung has upgraded from super steady with something called horizontal lock. And when you enable it, basically the horizon does not move. Let me show you that. As you can see right now, the horizon does not move. And it doesn't matter whether you rotate it 360 degrees or not, the footage stays flat. It uses gyro and acceleration sensors to detect gravity and lock the horizon. Software doing what used to cost $100 is now free. I mean, it's quite expensive, but included. Now, full transparency. Horizontal lock is available on the entire S26 lineup, not just the Ultra, but it works best on the Ultra thanks to upgraded image signal processor and higher megapixel sensors acting as a bigger canvas for the stabilization. The S26 and S26 Plus have it, the Ultra does it better. To my fellow content creators out there, your gimbal just became a paperweight. The feature number 3 is, well, you can't see it, but you'll feel it well. The S26 Ultra has a completely redesigned vapor chamber with thermal interface material positioned along the sides of the processor. In English, Samsung rebuilt the cooling system from the ground up. And why does that matter? Because raw power means nothing if the phone throttles after 10 minutes, right? The new design spreads heat more efficiently across a larger surface area, keeping the device cool even during gaming, multitasking, and long video capture. And the chip fitting that cooling system, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. 19% faster CPU, 39% more NPU power for AI tasks, and 24% GPU boost for graphics, plus ray tracing across the entire S26 series. And super fast charging, 3.0, 75% in just 30 minutes. You plug in while you shower. You leave with a nearly full battery. Other brands are shoving bigger batteries and faster chips into their phones. Samsung's answer: make sure the chip is cool enough. And make sure only the Ultra gets the version without Exynos, right? Because all the other ones have Exynos. Now, 3 features. 3 different problems solved. Privacy display kills over-the-shoulder creep. Horizontal lock kills the gimbal. And the new vapor chamber makes sure all that Snapdragon power doesn't cook itself after a gaming session. The S26 Ultra starts at $1,300. The base S26 went up $100 to $900. Yeah, the price things. But for the Ultra, Samsung earned it this way. This isn't a spec bump, it's a phone that actually thinks about how you use it. If you want the full, deep dive, camera, battery, gaming, smash subscribe, drop a comment, privacy display, horizontal lock, or the cooling system. Which one sells it for you?